Hi everyone. In today's video, we will show how to calculate pips in forex trading. Understanding pips is important for measuring price movement, managing risk, and calculating profit or loss. Let's get started. Pips, or percentage point, in Tradingview are the smallest standard unit of price movement for a currency pair. We use pips to measure profit loss and volatility. Usually, 1 pip equals 4 decimal places for most pairs, but JPY pairs are different. We often use price range tools and long or short position tools to visualize this movement. A pip is the smallest standard unit of price movement in a currency pair. It is the main measurement for defining market volatility, calculating profit loss, setting stop loss and profit levels, and determining trade risk. Now let's move into the tutorial and go through the steps together so that even if you're new, you can follow along. Open your browser and go to tradingview.com. Once there, you will be directed to the homepage. Log into your account. After logging in, we go to Products. You can see the Products section at the top of the page. Under Products, you will find Super Charts. Now, click Super Charts. We will use Apple stocks as an example to show how to calculate pips. This is the Super Charts page. Here, we can see the ups and downs of the market, the activities, the profits, and the losses. To calculate pips, there are 3 main ways. On the left part of the page, you will see the toolbar with 3 tools that help calculate pips. The first tool is the ruler, which looks like a ruler. Click this one. To use it, select the ruler and click on the chart where you want to measure the pips. Just click once at each point. You will see a number, for example, 1,221. That number shows the pips. This is the first option. The second option is the short position tool. You can find the short position and projection tools again on the left toolbar. Click the short position. Here, you can see the pips for the stop and the pips for the target. This helps us visualize the pips using a short position. The third option is the price range tool. Go back to Forecast and Measurement tools on the left side of the page. Click, and then at the top or bottom, click the price range. Click on the chart where you want to measure. For example, you might see 1,300 pips. That's how we calculate pips in Tradingview. Understanding pips helps us track price movement, manage risk, and calculate profits or losses accurately. The more comfortable we become with pip calculation, the more confident and disciplined our trading will be.